What is the level of belief that you are changing in your life? What is the degree? That's why Jesus said the seed that fell along the good soil, he never said it's 100-fold. He said 30, 60 and 100. Why 30, 60? The problem is not with the seed. The problem is the quality of the soil. How much are you agreeing? How much are you believing? He said the 3 soils did not produce, not because they did not pray. They prayed, but they did not live to the truth. The first soil did not produce fruit because that soil was the pathway. The person hears the word, does not understand the word, there is no fruit. Second soil was a stony soil. The person hears the word, rejoices, praises God, but for small reason gets offended, there is no fruit. The third soil is a thorny soil. In the thorny soil, the person has desires for the world. He is full of worry, he is full of anxiety, and now that soil produces no fruit. And in the fourth soil, he says it's the one who hears the word, believes the word, and with faith, patience, and endurance fights the battle to bring forth the fruit.